Hey everyone, Chris at Diesel Power Products, and today we have the Killer Grid Heater Upgrade Kit from BD Diesel. Let's talk application. At the time of this video, this kit is going to fit the 07.5 to 2024 Ram 2500 or 3500 with the 6.7 Cummins. The factory grid heater found on the 6.7 Cummins comes with a pretty disastrous flaw from the factory. Over time and a lot of heat cycles, this little nut likes to back off or just break off completely and end up in usually cylinder 6, which is not a good day. Sure, there's a bunch of kits out there already that will eliminate this completely that may require tuning or might not be carbon compliant, but BD has come out with this kit to fully bulletproof your OEM grid heater. The billet lower bus bar in this kit comes with self-locking threads, so there's no chance of it backing off or falling into your cylinders. This kit is going to come with all of the special hardware and gaskets, and it comes with some special tools here to install this kit. This kit is going to be fully emissions compliant and does not require any other modifications or custom tuning. If you guys are looking for a good alternative to eliminating this completely, this is the kit for you. If you guys have any questions on this kit, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday Pacific time. You can also reach us by emails or chats on the site. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.